Hello, in this tutorial we are going to learn how to change the LED backlight brightness on the ST7735 SPI LCD using a potentiometer and Arduino. This project is brought to you by pcbway. What I really like about them is that you can get 10 professional made boards for around $5, which is really amazing for professionally made boards. On their website, just click on the Get Instant Quote and you will see how much the PCB will cost. They also offer other services like PCB assembly, 3D printing, CNC machining. The link will be in the description, so go and check them out. For this project you will need a ST7735 LCD, potentiometer, some jumper wires, 68 ohm resistor, breadboard, Arduino board and Visuino program. Wire everything according to this schematic. Go to website and download and install Visuino program. Start Visuino and select the board. In our case it is Arduino Uno. Add ST7735 display component. Double click on the display 1 and in the elements window drag draw text to the left side, and in the properties window set size to 3, text to hello and Y to 20. Now in the elements window drag draw bitmap to the left side, and in the properties window set Y to 50, select bitmap and click on the 3 dots button, and in the bitmap editor load some bitmap, in my case it is Visuino logo, and close the bitmap editor and close the elements window. Connect Arduino board analog pin 0 to Arduino board analog PWM pin 3. Connect display 1 pin SPI to the Arduino board pin SPI, and connect display 1 pin chip select to the Arduino board digital pin 10. Connect display 1 pin reset to Arduino board digital pin 8, and connect display 1 pin data command to Arduino board digital pin 9. At the bottom click on the build tab and make sure that you selected the right ported board, and click compile, build and upload button.